Very warm good morning, one and all. First of all, I thank Hindustan Management, CEO, Principal, sir. And once again, my special thanks to Dr. Anuradha Madam, HOD, Department of Mathematics. She given this great opportunity. Thank you, Madam. Hindustan College of Arts and Science and Hindustan Innovative Learning Hub, in association with PG and Research Mathematics Department, organize 1 week online workshop on national FDP, LMS, and e-content development online tools. So this day 6, session 6, I take Edmodo, Parlet, Loom, and Miro. So I take these 4 tools. Before I start these tools, I given a small introduction about ICT and LMS, e-content, etc. So we well known about ICT. It is a scientific, technological, and engineering discipline and management technique used in handling information, its application and association with social, economical, and cultural matters. So this pandemic period, why we need online education? So a number of benefits and drawbacks is there, but we focus on benefits. It is the only way to deliver knowledge during this global pandemic. Easy reach to all students in remote area also. It can provide continued education to upskill to knowledge the students. So it is an simple useful of online educations. So why we move to virtual teaching. So virtual teaching is use computer software, the internet, or both to deliver instruct to students. We use these tools, Classroom, Google Classroom, etc. It minimize or eliminate the need for teachers and students to share a classroom. So, for example, Moodle is free of cost open source software. So Moodle is nothing but modular object oriented dynamic learning environment. We have get a Moodle. It is a free software. Once you have installed and you have to deliver the notes or class, take classes, everything through Moodle. So this pandemic time, the coronavirus pandemic period, the ensuing lockdown has forced university and colleges across India to temporarily shut down. And this virus had created a big gap between education system, despite the central and state government during their best to provide support for e-learning and online education. In this time, curfew, the students belongs to universities, colleges, and other higher learning institutions have to opportunity to continue with their studies through different platforms available online. The government of India has also initiated and directed to use numerous online platforms effectively by engaging students with online learning through information and communication technology techniques. The information and communication technology tools like Swayam, MOOC, Massive Open online courses, e-Padasala, Swayam Prabha, e-Sodh Sindhu, etc. Easy Class, like Learning Management System, LMS, is a platform that allows the educators to create online classes whereby they can store the course material online, manage assignments, quiz, and exams, monitor due dates, grade results, and provide students with feedback all in one place is possible. Faculty members and students may do video audio conferencing through Skype, WhatsApp, Google Hangout, and other similar e-resources for discussion related to these courses, to their courses. There are numerous screen recording videos like Hunter, Screen Recorder, Windows Screen, Windows Screen Recorder, and now I take Loom, etc. Using these tools, teacher can make tutorial videos. And open source Moodle is another option, which is an open platform with a number of features are conducting classes, online examinations, etc. We have to create question bank, also created using Moodle platform. So this pandemic period, the internet usage is increased. 730 million internet users in pandemic period is increased. And in rural area, new user is 75% is increased. And 75% new user to consume data, vernacular languages. So these are increasing the online courses and educations. And now I go into Loom. First, I differentiate G Suite and personal Google account. So Loom is extension for Google Classroom. So our participants have a doubt with G Suite and personal Google accounts. For example, C Trimurthy is my personal account. I have at gmail.com, and my institutional account is Sirmurthy at hindustan.net. But G Suite account is totally different between personal and institutional and others. So first, I differentiate G Suite or institutional account and personal Google account. For example, I have personal account. I differentiate with G Suite. I am a teacher. I teacher per class. I add 20 classes per teacher in G Suite, and also personal Google account. I am at 20 teachers per class is possible. Both are same. Class members, teachers and students in G Suite we add 1,000 students and teacher, including teachers. We have to add G Suite, but personal account we add only 250. Classes you can join G Suite 1,000 is possible, but personal Google account you have 100 maximum, 30 per day. And classes you can create G Suite is no limit, but personal 30 per day. Class members invitations you can send 500 per day per teacher is G Suite, but 100 per day per teacher in personal Google account. And guardians in 20 in G Suite, but this feature is not available in personal account. And email address visibility, no limit in G Suite, but personal, this feature is not available. So it is difference between G Suite and our personal account. Before we move into our tools, so these are basics. And first we move to virtual learning environment. This session 6, we learn Parrot, Loom, Miro, and Edmodo. So Loom is extension of our Google Classroom. Edmodo is like Google Classroom, and Miro, Parrot is designing tools. So first we move to Loom. So already I told you it is extension. We search is there. Going to Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. So whatever you want in extension, you go to Chrome Web Store. So you have add the plugins and use browser, everything in Google and Chrome. So these are same family. Here you have to type Loom, Loom. So the extension is listed here. I already add to Chrome, so it is here at it. So Loom software is there here. You have to click to add to Chrome. It will be add your extension for your Google Classroom. In Loom software, it's a loop page. So already I'm logging this page. So Loom is video recording tool. It is a video recording tool that helps you to get your message across through the instant shareable videos. With Loom, you can record your camera, microphone, and desktop simultaneously. So it is two options is there: desktop and camera, microphone. Your video is then instantly available to share through Loom's technology. How to install Loom is I already told you. You have to enter into Chrome Web Store, type Loom. The extension is listed here. You have to click here, add to Chrome. It will be installed your system, and the extension is listed here. Okay, so it is a two version is available. One is Loom for Chrome extension, and another one is desktop app. Visit Chrome Store for Loom extension. So after adding the extension, it will be available by clicking the cursor icon like this. This icon is appear here in top left corner of the Chrome browser. So recording the video, move to your mail. So Loom is available here. So here, new video, click here. Listen, this is the option, new video, click here. So recording option, there are three options is there. One is screen plus camera, and second one is screen only. Third one is camera only. Three option is there. And full desktop, current tab. So if you want microphone audio on or off, there are two options there. Okay. Notification is available. So I select screen plus camera, full desktop. Now I start record. Click here. Yes, it started. Share your screen like your entire screen or application window. I select application window like this. Share. Yes, it is started. Countdown is started. Recording is started. So Loom is video record software. It is used to store the video. So it is pause button. It is close button. It is finish recording. Dear participants, please mute your mic. Dear participants. So it is a hide
Sir,
option.
just a second, sir. I remove him, sir. Just a second, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, may I start? So,
Yes, sir. I removed him, sir. Sorry, sir.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So here it is a menu option. You have click here, you get close, pause, and save button. So if you click here, so the option is the camera option is increased, and this one is another one like this. You have to decrease like this. If you want decrease, click here, click here. So you click new video. It is a recording option. So these are recorded now. Now I want to save the option. Click here. Yes. Yes, my video is ready now. Just play it. So it is speed. You want to increase the speed? Click here. 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, etc. I want to trim the video. The option is here. I will trim the video using the setting. Yes. So it will be trim using 5 seconds, etc. You have to trim using these settings. Return to video. So another one more settings is there. You have to add emojis like this, comments, email notification, emojis, animated thumbnail. Viewer can download. So analytics to is there. You have to set whatever you want. And call to action. Another option is custom thumbnails. So these are options is available, and you have to invite people, add password. You have to invite your friends. So you have type your mail ID, add your friends, and save. And it is a password. You set the password and share your password to students or friends. Using this password, they have to access the video. Now, how to download? So the option is here. It is duplicate video. Click here. The video is get duplicated now. And this one option is delete video, and this one is share your video to link, mail ID, Twitter, Facebook, etc. I share my email. Yes. Now share to my mail ID. Send to my mail ID. Yes, I receive it. So watch video. Okay, that's all. So Loom is video recording software. So this tool is used to record your videos. If you want to create a video, use this software. It is extension of Google Classroom. You have to add extension as an extension. So nothing, it is very easy. First you go to Chrome web here like this. So Chrome web store, type Loom, and you have to add to your extension and just click new video, record your video and copy the link, share to your mail or friends or class to students. They have to access this video and they have to use this video. That's all. It is an Loom software. It is an extension of Google Classroom. So next we move to Padlet. Next we move to Padlet. Yes, Padlet is a blank wall, and also it is called e-bulletin wall. Just you have to type Padlet. Just type Padlet, enough. Padlet tool is there. Already I installed this tool. It is appear here, Padlet. Click here. Animals, nature, food, activity, travel place, like this. Symbols. So I put one emoji. So it is interact your students. So nowadays the students, not like black and white books, papers. They have color pages. They have only use mobile phone. They are studying all materials through mobile phone, e-content. So we give a presentation, attract the all students. Then only they have to study very well, or they have to open your page. So I give this icon and address. If you want me to give an address, otherwise no problem. Wallpaper. So so participant, please mute your mic, please. Dear participants, please mute your mic.
Sweetie Lanjoy, kindly mute your audio, otherwise you will be removed.
So
Sir, sorry for the interruption, sir. Please proceed, sir.
thank you, madam. So the wallpaper, solid colors, gradients, texture, picture. So I select picture. So select this one and save it. If you want add your own picture, you have to download from your mail, your system, or upload from your drive or Google search. So these are available. Take your photo or draw your own or paste link, upload. So I will explain later. And you have to change fitness like this. You have to blur the image or dark the image. So everything is available. It wonders your presentation. Here, you want to comment, attribute. So these are available. Filter, etc. You want to change font here. So the font will be changed here. Okay. So now so if you want change settings, click here, go to profile. You have to change your profile. Is up here. Edit profile. Edit profile. Basic information is like name, email address. If you want to type whatever you want, username, password. You want to password, put on your password. If you teacher, click teacher. Update and password here. Communication is a personal information for your Padlet. It is appear on your Padlet. Billing. So it is a paid version. Even billing details, reference, developer, delete account, etc. It is for personal informations. So I go to my Padlet page. Virtual learning, how to learn Padlet. So please look out. The plus symbol is here. First you click on plus symbol. Okay, you get this comment box. So you have upload from your system. Pick file from here. I upload this one. Open. It will uploading. Okay. Title, image or image. So I want to write something tree. Okay. So I want to add another one. Click here. It is link. It is web, Google web. It is take photo, snap. So click here. Upload. Pick file. Image. Open. It is uploading. Write something. Flowers. You want to give description. Flowers. Next, click here. Click more option. Is link. You have to get link from Google search. Type nature. So I get natural video. Just copy the video URL. Paste here. Save. Title nature video. You are on commerce staff, you are a computer science staff or biology staff, no problem. Copy paste the URL, YouTube URL, anything. The video will appear here. The link will appear. You have, if you want to description, you will be good. And click here. It is Google image, video, GIF, audio, the pages. So whatever you want, you have to search and add it. Click here. If you want to snap, take a photo. Click here. Snap. Save here. The photo will appear here. It's a photo. Snap. If you want, film. Click here. It is a virtual learning class. Close. Okay. Sorry. It is a virtual learning class. Pause. If you want to play back, click here. Save. The video is saving now. Yes. The video is uploaded. Here, draw something. So I just give a demo. You have draw anything. So write drawing. Title drawing. Here add place. So now I am in Coimbatore. Type Coimbatore, satellite image. Click here, show in pin. It shows Coimbatore. Save. Yes. And also we have connect another palette. So a single staff create more than 10 parallels or 100 parallels. He want to connect a previous parallel is possible. You have to connect using this link, previous parallel. So up here already I created 2 parallels. So connect this one. So for example, I taken 3 or 4 classes. The each class is connected with another class. So I create in parallel 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 is connected to 3 means I given connection with here. So parallel 2, parallel 1, etc. So that's all. So using this parallel, we have to upload, connect video, audio, screenshot, picture, diagram, YouTube, place, and previous parallel diagram, everything. So now just remove this. So here share option is there. So I think it is shows very small. So here sharing option is there. The benefit of parallel is you have to collaborate your students, your colleagues, your friends, everyone. So here I have add members. Click mail ID. So I join with Praveen Sundar.
The function is defined.
So click share option. You have these options. You have to copy the link to clipboard and you have to paste your mail ID and share your friends. Get QR code and here email ID. Share your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Classroom. You have to Google Classroom account. You have to share the parallel to Google Classroom and you have to share your friends. This collaborative learning, if you give an invitation to your friends or your colleagues or your students, they have to modify or they have to change, they have to share your ideas simultaneously whenever you create this parallel. Both of students or staffs, your friends, all are simultaneously give their ideas, share the informations. In case if you want to give permission your students, if you want to not give a permission to students, just you can give an only view permission or edit permission, view comment permission. So they have three types of permission is there. If you want to give a view permission, the students only view the Parlet and they have to click the link and they have to view our classes. In case if you want to share the knowledge, you given permission to can edit. The students can edit the your Parlet. I suggest you have to collaborate your department staffs or your friends. You give permission to all friends. In case of our leave, they have to continue the work if it is possible. So I suggest given permission to can edit permission to your friends or your colleagues. And you want save means give save as image. So save as image. It is save image. If you want to save a PDF, it is a PDF. If you save as CSV file, it is save as CSV file. After saving, you have to share your Parlet to your students, colleagues, everyone. They have to just click the link. They have to show the YouTube. Just they have to click. They have to show the classes. They have to click. They show the images. It is the benefit of Parlet. So this Parlet is you. Hello. Hello. So participant, please.
Sir, just a second, sir. Some participant is unmuting their mic, sir. I remove him, sir. Just a second,
Okay,
sir.
okay, madam. Okay.
Please proceed, sir.
So participants, this Parlet tool is used to interact the students in collaborative learning. Not only students but also your friends, staffs. And also it is used for your school students, and you have to cover your school, your children also. It is look like a very effective and it is a beautiful background. And if you want to change the background, you have to change it. So now I move to Miro. Second tool, Miro. So it is also available in free version. Go to Google. So already I log in. Miro is a second tool. It is also team collaborative software. Yes, I am logging. It is also used in your Gmail account. It is an homepage of Miro software. So I am going to blank board. Click here. Or if I want to template, yeah, it is blank board. If I want to template, I will select here. So what are the possibilities in Miro? Miro is have categories, Miro overs, recommended, popular. Use case we have used in meeting, workshops like this. So these are the template available in meeting and workshops. It is an brainstorming idea. Yes, mind map, concept, random works, etc. Research design for research scholars. It is available. So these are available, mapping, etc. So number of templates available in Miro software. So Miro is nothing but movement in, receipt out. It is a flexible schedule. It is platform independent, more effective meeting, increasing productivity, online whiteboard for easy collaboration. So I told whiteboard. Whiteboard is nothing but it is collaborate with your friends, colleagues, students. That is whiteboard. Blackboard is offline, whiteboard is online. Both students as well as staffs, everyone have to participate your presentation. So now I select this one, templates, mind map. For example, I select this one. So I show that number of templates. I select mind map. So it is a mind map template. Here the Miro have select tool, view mode, templates. I show that text, sticky note, shape, connection, pen, comment, frame, and upload. And this one web upload is web page capture, and frame, presentation, comments, chat. You have to chat your colleagues or your students when you develop your page. And this one is card and screen sharing. You have to share your screen on another laptop or website. And voting, video chat, and timer, activity. These are the tools available in Miro software. Already we saw in Parallel share option. Share option is the whiteboard. Share option is used to collaborate your friends, colleagues, students. So I give name this Miro template virtual. Yeah. So look at here. If I want to give my colleague or friend, so I give Praveen. So it's available. So I invite my friend Praveen Sundar, Dr. Praveen Sundar. I send invitation. So join with my page. If I want team, so look at here, invite link. Already I told you, if you give one invite link, board and team. For example, we are in college process. We have given permission. Our department staff can view, can come, comment, edit, access. No access. We give can edit because when we are leave, the other colleagues can edit or share the page is possible. If given only access means they have do nothing. Otherwise, your students we give only view permission and public. So whatever you want, we give the permissions. I invite my friend Praveen Sundar. So now this is see a mind diagram to insert something. I am a computer science staff, so I given a inheritance chart, multi-level inheritance. Double click, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So it have class A, class B, like I given class A, multi-level inheritance, class A. So I want to change format means font style, bold, italic, underline. So as it is our Microsoft Word, like Microsoft Word, given color. So all is available. So okay. So class A have class B, multi-level inheritance, class B, class B, class C. Here class D, class E. Okay. If I want to add another one more connection, click here. Click here. You have to add another connection. If you want add here, click here. Another connection will be established. If you want to add another connection, click here. Clear. Okay. Now I add sticky note here. It is inheritance class E. Just move. I want to connect to class E means give connection like this. That's all. Meanwhile, command is click here, write command. It's class C, connect using connector, connection line, draw connection. That's all. Okay. You want to give a name, just okay. It is an pen tool. So write
Sir, just a second, sir.
okay.
Max command, please kindly mute your audio, otherwise you will be removed. I remove him, sir. You please continue, sir.
Okay, okay. Ma'am. It is shape tool. You want to click here and whatever you want to the shape, you have to drag it. Square, rectangle, star, and all shapes. So number of shapes is available. You have to add here. If you want, you have to add here. And it is upload. Already we saw in Parallel also. I want to upload photos, image, downloads, picture, image, open, upload here, resize the image, you have to place whatever you want. And here, upload via URL link. It's already, I have an URL link, copy the natural. Okay, that's all. The URL link is added. Okay, paste here, whatever you want, you have to place there. And this is save files, Chrome extension. So whatever you want, picture, image, PDF, you have to upload and place here. If you want connection, for example, class D is connected with picture means you give one connection, this one. Okay, and class B is connected with this image or picture, you have to connect. So this Miro tool is used to design for research scholar, not only research scholar, but also just professor, students. They have to explore their knowledge. They have draw the mind-blooming, present the Miro using Miro. So here frame is there. This is used to select whatever you want. So close here. This is used to select size of what you want appear your Miro page. And this one is presentation mode. It is presentation mode. I select this place only frame. This presentation mode, I click here. The video will appear. Okay. So it is presentation, and this one is chat box. So I want to chat with my friends or colleagues using this chat box. Hi. Like our Google Meet. This one is cards, and it is screen sharing, voting, and it is a video chat and timer. We have to add these to our Miro page. And this one is settings. Whatever you want to set here, account setting to flow of the threads, shortcuts, navigation, snap, etc. It is notification, and this one is note. So it is uploading, export to board. You want to share the board, save as image, PDF, and template, export, CSV, etc. So whatever you want, you have to export here, or share the image or share this board. Option is here. You have to share the Miro to your friend's mail ID or your colleagues or your students. Collaborative learning. So this Miro is used to collaborate your students. In case my student is interact my page and he have to put on class D, class E, and he have to change the page if I give permission. Okay, clear? So I given also once again recap. Miro is used to virtual learning, like it is also a Padlet, and this platform used to design for collaborate with your staffs. You have to upload video, audio, images, and you have to create mind map. Already number of templates are available, and you have to share the Miro to virtual classroom and your friends and everyone. It is a use of Miro. So next virtual tool is Google Drawing. So it is a Google Drawing page. So you have to get from your Google account. It is page in your Google Drawing. You go to new drawing. It is the page is appeared. If you want, give a name, comment, insert image, upload your computer, drive, photo, URL, camera, and it is a text, and it is add command. It is as it is. You are well known about MS. So MS, Microsoft Office, Microsoft PPT like this. So it is an as it is, new, open, edit. It is also as it is, view. So the special is you have it is an virtual. You have it is sharing, and you have to collaborate your colleagues. This share option is difference between MS and Google. It is a main difference between Google and Microsoft. You have to arrange one format. Everyone is available. So I suggest is template is available. So we go to smart. Everyone is available. Report, resume, letter, project proposal. For example, we are in browser. Project proposal is a template is available here. Just you have to click project proposal. It's a project name. So everything is template is available. Just we have change or modify the name, title, everything using these tools. So available tools, you have to easily prepare your project document, and you have to collaborate with your friends. He is available in other country or other state. He have to join this page, and he have to give suggestion or he have to modify is possible. It is a benefit of Google Drawing. So as it is drawing, you have to collaborate your friends, and number of templates available, and these are the benefits. Okay, so just is like a drawing tool, but use the template, you have to create many wonders. And next one, we go to Google Slides. I think everyone well know about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So both are same. So click here, slides. Blank. So it is a blank page. So already I told that the difference between Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So you ask me, sir, what is the difference between Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and Google? It is save in Google Drive. It is an collaborative learning. This is the main difference between both us. You have to share using this option. So it is a blank page. You want to add template here. So you want to first slide, title slide, or only section header, use this. Your title and body, or title and two columns, title only, one column, main point, or description, caption, big number, blank is available here. So for example, you want to change the themes are available here. You select the theme, page will be changed. It's also available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation also. Yeah, here. Clear. So these themes are available. So I want to more themes. It's not enough to me, means import theme from Google or drag from your file anywhere in the system or net. And as it is all are available in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. It is a layout, it is a theme, it is a translation. So I given one or two example. Just type Hindustan College of Arts and Science. Yeah. So using translation, we have to move the content like this. So click here, animation format. So translation, slide, translation. If you want to motion means give fad, check the fad. If I want stop, if you want to add arts line means click here, object animation, add animation. So everything is here. So here you have to select whatever you want. So these are the available in slides, theme, slide, background, and also you have to share your colleagues, friends, like as save. So you have to share Praveen Sundar. I select Praveen Sundar. I share this PPT. He will change or modify whatever he want, whatever he wish. Play. So nothing but Google Slide is as it is. Our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is difference is you have to collaborate our friends. This option is main benefit of compared to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You have to share the PowerPoint and both of your friend or your colleague, both of them change or modify or insert or import their ideas using this share option. Yeah, number of template is available already. It is uploaded like this. You have to download the template. You have to download the template. You have to design your PPT using this template. So I think all are known about Microsoft PPT. So it is share the virtual using your Google. So next one, Jamboard. Sorry, if you want to present one means click here. The present is presentation is appeared. Question answer session is appear here. You give question answer. You whenever you start, the timer is start. You want to give a pause, resume, reset, and start new. Speaker notes all are available. This one. Yeah. So next one we move to Jamboard. So Jamboard is like Padlet. Yeah, it is Jamboard. I create my own new board. So click here the plus symbol. The new Jamboard is appear here. You want to change the background, click here, the background is modified. Clear frame. You want to next Jamboard, click here. So the tools are available: pen tool, eraser, select tool, sticky note, add image, laser. So I want to change this background. Yeah, sticky note, for example, Sunday. Yellow is mostly used for in school students, attract their interaction. Next, Monday, green, sticky note, save. Tuesday, blue, save, cancel. It's appear like this. You have to share your friends, colleagues using this sharing option. As it is, like Google Slides. So I share my mail ID. That's all. So in case you have to add your friends or colleagues, they have to change or modify the sticky notes and add it. Jamboard. So Jamboard is also like our touch screen mobile phone. You have to use like that also, but I explain this only for sticky notes. And another tool is Google Drawing. Yeah, already we discussed Google Drawing. Drawing, draw your image or using tools, text, Hindustan. As it is, you have to modify or change bold, italic, underline as it is, and you have to share the Google Drawings to Padlet, Google Slide, and anywhere. So we discuss 5 tools. First one is Padlet. Padlet is nothing but is a virtual learning tool. This is a Padlet. First virtual learning tool is Padlet. We have to upload image, picture, video, audio, diagram, and everything. Number of templates is available. We have to design the Padlet. It is like a board. You have to share your students, and they have download the Padlet and view notes, picture, animation, and video, everything. And second tool we discuss Miro. Miro is an virtual learning online tool. It is also used to design mind map and share your knowledge to students and your colleagues. It is a number of templates is available. Using this template, you have to design our own map. It is also used to research scholars and staffs and students. It is easily designed for creation. And third tool, we see this Google Drawing, and another one is next tool is Google Slide. It is also like as PowerPoint presentation, but the special is nothing but share the page to your colleagues, friends, and staffs. And last one, Jamboard. Jamboard is used to create and sticky notes and share the Jamboard to your friends, colleagues, and design the wonders, attract the students and all. So, dear participants, we have discussed 5 tools. I think Padlet and Miro are a very impressive and wonder tool. Google Slide and Google Drawing Jamboard is already available in Google your Gmail account. So these tools are attract the students